We're back with another knife review. Today we'll be talking about the Columbia River Full Throttle, designed by Matthew Lurch. It's a spring-assisted everyday carry. It opens quickly. And it has a very sturdy frame. It is a thumb stud opener with a frame lock. Spring assisted, of course. It is 6.875 inch overall. Has a G10 handle with it's a smooth G10 with some markings on it. Keep your hand from slipping. Weighs 3.1 ounce. Blade length is 3 inch. It is a drop point satin finish with a flat grind on a plain edge. The handle length is 4 inches. The frame is stainless steel. It is a tip-up right-hand carry. Of course, I mentioned that it's a frame lock. And I think we mentioned that it was designed by Matthew Lurch. Blade thickness is pretty standard at about 1/8 of an inch, 0.125. Blade material is 8CR, 13 MOV. The handle thickness is pretty thin with a contour to your hand there at 0.4. Let's go ahead and show you how this knife preforms or performs. Cuts very smoothly. A little bit of fraying there. This is a entry-level knife from CRKT. I believe it's somewhere in the mid $40. Should do well at precision cutting. Not too bad. Could be just a little bit sharper. Seems to cut decently when you use it to pierce the cardboard. Go ahead and get us a fresh piece there. So we have a way of cutting downward and keeping it on the screen. Not too bad, but it seems to want to pull all the way in instead of staying out towards the outside of the knife. Not bad. So this is the CRKT Full Throttle model CR7031. For those of you that are watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We have tons of knife content. So for the last time, this is CRKT Full Throttle. I'm C with Atlantic Knife. Signing off.